Welcome guys, today I have for you a Shigiya G40. This machine is wired for 440 volts. This is a universal grinder and we're just going to get right into it. So when we start the machine, this does have its own lubrication tank. Once it builds up with pressure, the wheel will start. See, that almost started instantly. So we got the wheel going, we got the hydraulics going. The work spindle right here does have your jog button over here, or when you start the cycle, that will turn on automatically. Does come with a couple of features over here. As you can see, we have the wheel feed, table feed. We got the two dwell settings along with the fine feed setting as well. And yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and run a plunge cycle for you right now. Go ahead, start that up. You can see the wheel coming in, slowly feeding in, and then you'll see when this light turns green, that's when you're in the fine feed setting. Once it fine feeds, it will slowly go down to 0 and then it will park itself. So we're fine feeding. Once we get to the dead stop, we're at our spark out. And just like that, it retracts itself and you're ready to load the new part in. So I will be swapping it over to the traverse mode so you get an idea of that as well. It's going to be the same concept of it feeding all the way down until it reaches its spark out. This is a longer cycle of the two, so I'm just going to speed it up just a little bit, just by playing with this lever right here. Almost at the fine feed setting. Just give it a couple more passes. You can change the speed of your work spindle over here depending on the location of your belts. As you can see, we're over here on fine feed right now, which is going to take a little bit. Let's see if I can speed that up one more time. Almost at the dead stop. So now it's going to spark out. Once it hits 0, it will park itself. I did set the spark out for a little bit longer than I normally put it. It's at, I believe, 5 passes right now. There is a spark out timer right underneath these. So you could go ahead and tell it how long you want to spark out for. And then this is going to be your counter and your timer as well. The counter is used for the traverse setting and the spark out timer is used for the plunge setting. So as you can see, we finished up our cycle and that's really all. Oh, before we leave, this right here is a little plunger so you could feed down yourself. And yeah, again, this is the Shigiya G40 wired for 440 volts. Thank you very much. Before I end this, I just wanted to state it does come with a coolant tank right here along with the magnetic separator. And that's really it. Thank you very much.